Hey guys, Rich Bassine here, your YouTube vlogger and creator. Today I want to talk about adding tags to your YouTube videos. We're going to go into it right now. I'm going to read a little into it, and then I'm going to show you how to add it. If you never added it, maybe you never added it to your YouTube video, and it's really cut and dry. It's really easy. But before we do that let me minimize myself over here. And I want to just read a little of this here. What are tags and what role do they play when creating videos for YouTube? Tags on YouTube refer to the keywords or phrases that creators use to describe the content of their videos. These tags help YouTube's algorithm understand the topic and content of the video, making it more likely to be recommended to viewers interested in that topic. Now, I'm not going to read all of this here, guys. You could check it out at your own leisure. But if you haven't added tags to your videos, it's really easy. So we're going to go to it right now. I'm going to move over here. I should say go to the next page. This is my YouTube homepage, and I'm going to pick out a video just out of random, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to add tags to it. So I'm going to go over here where it says your videos. I'm going to click that on, and it's going to take me to the channel content. I'm going to pick one over here. I'm going to go check out the one over here. It says the why I bought the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm going to use that one. And over here you could also add the tags, the little hashtag there. As you can see in the description, it says shorts. I put them in my videos all the time, and I put over here hashtag Richie J. Bassine. So if anybody types Rich Bassine, hopefully it'll bring it to here, will lead them to this video, hopefully, or to my videos. Let's put it that way. And this video is very brief with it. I just in this video I'm talking about why I bought the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And as you can see here, this is where you're going to fill out all the little information, the video details, okay, what you want to use for your opening intro page. You can click it on, you can click any of these on. I always like the one with the titles and stuff like that, of course. Here's the playlist. If you hit the drop down menu, you can have a playlist. They had them all on here pretty much. All right, and you guys don't have to follow that part there. I mean, I just kind of like put it out there, because my channel, my YouTube channel, for all intents and purposes, is an open forum channel, and I like to share information with you guys. So I feel the more the merrier, right? The more stuff I put out, the better. And of course, you can add all these. You can ask, they're going to ask you these questions here. Is it made for kids? No, it's not made for kids. You check that off. Age restriction, advanced, and all that other stuff. Then you got one over here. Yes, it includes paid promotion. Mine don't. No, it doesn't include paid promotion. And then you'll have all this little information here. Altered content, yes or no. They'll give you all the information about what you got to read here. Okay, and then you go through the whole format there. You uncheck certain things like allow automatic chapters and key moments. You could do that. Allow automatic places, and so on and so forth. Here's where we come to the tags. And now it goes even over here. It says tags can be useful if the content in your video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tags play a minimal role in helping your viewers find your video. And then when you click over here, it'll take you to another window, and it'll tell you adding tags to your videos. Okay, and you could read more into it again at your own leisure. Okay, if you need more help, they have a thing over here. You can contact them or post it to the help community as well. But let's go back over here again. Let's go back here. Now, what I did here, folks, I just, like they'll say, wing it. That's what I did. I was talking about my iPhone 12, why I bought it. Basically, that was the title of it. And I just typed in here. I didn't even bother doing any keyword searches or for phrases and stuff like that. I just typed in iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this is the information that comes up. Now, if you want to do all the research like that, go for it. Me, when I'm doing my videos, I just stick with the topic. If I'm going to talk about whatever it may be, I like Sony DSLR cameras, if there's a specific model, I mean, it's all basic common sense. I know some people who follow this video say, well, of course, that's what you're going to type in. That's all I would put in. I know people do the keyword searches and stuff like that. They go to, they go to all of these things. They have TubeBuddy or whatever. Then they have TubeSpan or whatever. And you could just type in information like that there, and it'll give you a list of all the keywords. Now, the way I understand it, unless things have changed, YouTube doesn't really like you to, have your tags inundated with so many of them. Like, I think what's the most you could put there? I think, 10 or 15 or something ridiculous like that. I thought, from what I read once before, I think they said 5 is pretty good as far as when it comes to tags, 5 like that, if you add 5 tags. Because I don't know if too much of it will confuse the YouTube's algorithm or something along that line. I don't know. I read it a while back, so I'm just kind of like spitballing it out there. But I wouldn't go too crazy with them, you know what I'm saying? I mean, what it does, it's search. It's going to pick up on that there. Now this here, as you can see here, there's a number here. If you hover over it, it'll say overall, right, 51.6 video. This is from vidIQ, I'm sorry. vidIQ keyword volume 80.8, vidIQ competition score 84.1. So, they give you a little information like that. Now this stuff here, if you add to it or you take away from it, I used it over here. It'll say refresh tags. It's gone because I already used them up every time I kept clicking it. That's how I ended up getting this here. So what I'm trying to say is, when I typed in iPhone 12 Pro Max, the little thing where my mouse cursor is moving, it came up, it'll say refresh tags, and every time you refresh it, it gives you new tags to put in. So these tags that I put in, outside the one I added, these are all additional ones that when you refresh it, I believe they come from vidIQ, I believe. So that's how that worked with that. I didn't go through these verbatim. Some stuff I just did off the cuff. I just said, okay, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro Max, and things like that. Or I typed in here Apple iPhone, okay? I did that. Now, a lot of people may say, okay, so you're adding this out. Now, for example, here's another one right over here I could add. The charger. I'm going to add that there. I'm going to put it there. And when you do add it, make sure you come up here where it says save. Because if not, let's say you added quite a bit of, tags, and you didn't save it. When you upload the video, they're going to be gone. So always make sure you hit that save button over here. Okay? But that's basically what I want to share with you guys. This is Rich Bassini signing off. I will talk to you guys the next time. And for those who are out there who are starting a YouTube channel, I just want to say I'm wishing you guys all the best of luck, the best of success. Make those videos. Well, people will watch them. I know they will, because they're watching mine. They'll definitely watch yours as well. So until next time, take care, and bye-bye for now.